Justice Minister Delroy Chuck has acknowledged that the recent movement in the national minimum wage to $9,000 does not provide earners with a livable wage. Mr. Chuck, however, notes that the government could not do more as it had to take into account several factors. He says the government had to consider that some employers on pension would not have been able to pay more. He's strongly urging private companies and individuals who can to increase the minimum wage paid to their employees to at least $15,000. He claims that doing so could constitute a crime prevention measure.
The fast food places that, paying the minimal wage, the security companies, the hotels, the BPOs, they can pay more. And I strongly urge that if you don't pay a decent wage, you're going to have problems getting workers. And if you get the worker, as I say, they're going to find ways and means of earning a good living inside your establishment. Sadly, I must tell you.
Mr. Chuck argues that more persons would also be interested in seeking gainful employment if the pay was more attractive.
About 1.3 million workers now earning a weekly wage. At least half the population, which means at least another 200,000 people, are in need of jobs. But they're not working for 10,000. But if the salary was attractive, they might come out and work. And what I would say to the business places across Jamaica, treat your workers well.